storm. I'm not sure if you hear me right. It's very windy. And this is how it looks, the highway. Now it's a Sunday afternoon, but we still have cars. I don't think the highway has been, maybe it has been plowed once, but there is already already some snow in there, but the cars are still doing somewhere around, I would say, 40 miles per hour, maybe less, 30. But traffic goes on, so it's very windy. I would think it's about 80 kilometers hour winds, which translates to about 50 miles per hour when there's like gust of winds. Obviously it's not constant. You don't see much if I show you there. Now inside city is really not that bad. These are really not good conditions for driving highway or even secondary roads outside the city, because the winds blow sideways and you completely lose visibility, and that's critical. I've been in those situations. It's horrible. It's worse than fog actually, because it's really instant. All of a sudden, 2 seconds and you see nothing. It's blowing the snow from the sides of the road. Now, inside city it's still doable because this night is protected. And Montreal here, so everybody has winter tires by law. And now you see those. Check those two cars. So those are probably, I don't know, don't want to blame people, but it's just perhaps elderly in front, and they just kind of slow down the traffic. Everybody wants to drive, right? Has the right to drive. That's okay. So I'm saying winter tires for everyone.